Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small little Walmart haul and a Dollarama haul. I have some DIY cute items that I'm going to be using for some sock snowman that I'm doing. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope everybody is doing well. It's early in the morning here. Forgive the dog noise. I have dogs running upstairs and my other dog going crazy. Anyways, I really am so happy to be back on, and I love all your great comments, and I hope everybody is doing well. So let's get on with this haul. So for Walmart, it's pretty basic items I picked up, but I wanted to share them with you anyways. I needed some of the body wash, and I picked up this Tone body wash, and it's in Mango Splash, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I can't wait to use that. I needed some hairspray, so I picked up some of the Tresemme hairspray. I always use Tresemme. It's awesome. Never go wrong with using Tresemme. It's a great brand. They have different ones. This one is the extra hold. But yeah, and they were on sale at Walmart. The next thing I got are these wipes here. These are great, guys, for cleansing and exfoliating facial wipes, and they're with cucumber, aloe, and vitamin E. Oh my gosh, these things work great, and they're not a bad price. I think it was like $6 something for both of these, so that was a pretty good deal. By the way, guys, as you can see, I have my Fossil Rachel satchel there. I've moved back into that one, so it's my beautiful bag that my friend Mel gave me. Thank you, Mel, I love you. And yeah, so I've just been using that lately. I haven't bought anything really new other than stuff that I absolutely need, so a purse is not in the budget right now, so I'm using what I have, and I absolutely love this bag. So if you guys want to see what's in my bag with this beauty, I've already done one, but I can do another one, so let me know in the comments below. So the last couple things I got from Walmart is I got these really pretty kiss nails. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear them. And then these ones. I've been trying to let my own nails grow, which they have been, and but I thought I am going to treat myself because I haven't done that in a while. So I got these two packages, and I think they were $9.97 each. But yeah, they're great. Beautiful nail colors, so sparkly. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear that. That one's beautiful. I love the color. So those were from Walmart. And that's it from Walmart, guys. So from the Dollarama, remember I told you guys we have no Dollar Tree here in Nova Scotia. Oh my god, I'm so sad. But they do have a Dollarama, so I went there to pick up a few things. So the first thing I found is this decorative sticker for your wall, and it's this one here. So I'm going to put that in our hallway, and that was $3. So I thought that was really cute. Next thing I needed for my purse was some Kleenex. So these are all really cute packaging. Each of them has different packaging. Pretty cute. So the next thing I got, I'm doing a DIY sock, snowman socks, and I had to pick up socks for my snowman for their scarves and all that stuff. So I picked up some really cute socks. I don't even want to tear them up to use, but here's one pair. Really cute, right? Look at them. It's got the sunglasses on, and those were $1. The next pair are these really funky ones with the Christmas trees and the polka dots. And those were $1.25. The next one, oh my god, these are so cute. The next one are these. These are really cute. And it's got the little puppy on there with the Santa hat. And again, these were about $1.25. So super cute, right? And then this pack here, it's a 2-pack. I was going to say it's a 3-pack, but it's a 2-pack. And these, like, you know, like I'm using them for DIY for my snowman, but my god, these are great gifts to give somebody. 2-pack, and they're beautiful. Like, I want to wear these. I love these kind of socks. I might go back and get more just for myself. And these ones were $3. And they come with a pretty bow on them. It's all outlined with some gold. It's really pretty. And these ones have a pretty heart on them. And they're so soft. Like, so soft. So I got those. The next thing I got are some Silky Fit tights. I've been wanting some tights and I keep forgetting every time I go to Walmart, so I picked these up. These were $3. I've never used these before, so we'll see how they fit. I'm gonna actually wear them today, so I will let you guys know. But they're $3 at Dollarama, so that's not too bad. So the next few things I got are some embellishment stickers and that kind of thing. So first one, I picked up these beautiful rhinestones, and they're all like the beautiful red and silver. I love them. And that was $2. And it's a really big package. So I thought that was awesome. And then I got this beautiful one here. Rhinestones. And that was about $1.25. I try to get a lot of things that are $1.25, so to feel like I'm at Dollar Tree, right? I know it's pathetic, right? Sandy, get a life. Anyways, I got these glittering stickers, and they were $2 each. You get a lot of them. So I was quite happy about that. I'm going to have a sip of my coffee. See, I have my robe on. Ah, that's good. Okay. So, the next few things I got are these metal bells. They're super cute. They're all different little metal bells. They have all different colors on them. Really cute. I think they'll be so cute on the snowman when I'm done with them. I am going to show you guys how I do them. So I hope you guys will watch that when I put that up, which will be very soon. And then these are just like little blue snowflakes, little tiny ones. And these were $1.25. I really find the Dollarama, they have like really nice stuff, and to be honest, like the craft stuff really isn't a bad price at all. These here, I had to get them. Super cute, guys. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And these are wooden stickers, and you get 6 of them, and they were $1.25. Check them out, eh? Super cute. Alright, so what else? Kind of getting down to some boring stuff now. I picked up these metallic strings. I need these for my snowman, but I thought they'd be cool because they're metallic and they'd be nice to use on them. These here are hook and loop dots. I'm not sure, I may use these, but Mark pointed them out to me at the store, so I thought, well, maybe I can use them for something for my snowman, so I picked those up. I hope you guys have been doing well. The weather here has been snowy and cold, so, you know, it looks pretty, but it's not summer. It can be pretty hard on the body, I guess, but today's not too bad, so hopefully I can get out and do a little bit more shopping for some DIYs. Anyway, the next thing I got is these hair bands, and you get like 50 of them for $2. So I thought that was a great idea, or a great buy. I really needed some. Like, where do your hair bands go? Like, they just disappear and you can never find them. These are, I'm so excited to use these on my snowman. They're little pom-poms, or mini pom-poms. So I think they're gonna look really cute, and they have like the little tassel kind of, tinsel on the ends of the little pom-poms. Really cute, eh? Next thing, just some foam brush set. These are awesome. And I got a craft and stencil brush set. So this one comes with the 2 sponges, this guy here, this round one, and then these brushes here. Super happy for that. And I picked up these brushes as well. I have these little wooden circles that Mark's brother, he gave us a whole box of them, so I'm going to paint some, and I'm going to use them as like little ornaments for my Christmas tree next year, but I'm going to decorate them all very differently, so stay tuned for that as well. I'm really excited to start them, so that's why I picked up paint brushes for those. And the next few things I just wanted to show you. I just picked up some paints, crafters paint. I usually get these. They're great paints and they last forever. So these are the crafters acrylic paints, and I got it in Christmas red. I got 2 in Christmas red, and then I've got the Christmas green, and then I got a white. If you have a Dollarama in your area, you know, and a Dollar Tree, I found when I had both in my area, sometimes the things that you can find at Dollarama were a better deal because you can get bigger items of them. So it's always good to check if you are in the area where you have both stores. Really do your homework, because I know, you know, certain stores, they don't have this kind, and they're smaller and they're not as great, so just be aware of that. I've never bought these before, but these are glitter shakers. So I got it in this really pretty. They didn't have any in pink. I would have got one in pink just to use every day on my crafts. So I got that one in the green and this one in the red. And you have a lot in there that'll last a long time. And these weren't marked, so I do believe these were $1. So I just have 2 more items, and I faithfully have my Snowman collection that I put out every year. Unfortunately, all my stuff is in storage since we've moved. So I've been really loving Gingerbread Man, so every time I see something that's really cute, I want to start kind of adding to a collection. So I started off, I got this little house. It's a wooden box, and that's the little Gingerbread Man, and it has like the little candies, candy cane, and the top of the box is like this. It's got all the sparkles. It's really pretty. So Sorry guys, can't really see it very well. There's Santa. There's the door. And there's that guy there. So I picked up this. This is just for decoration. Actually, she when she packed my stuff, the cashier, she put all my paints in here. It was all pretty neatly organized. I thought, hey, that's a good idea. So anyway, so that's that guy there. And the last thing, oh, I missed a pair of socks, guys. Anyways, I missed this pair of socks. This is a little pair of children's socks, 0 to 12 months. These were $2 for 2 pairs. And there's a cute little one with Santa. And then there's just like a plain green one. They're so cute. So cute. I missed those in the corner of the bag. And the very last thing, I was so happy to find it, was this guy, the little hand sanitizer. And this one, it was $2. And this is a hand cleaner. So a hand sanitizer. I'm not sure the brand because it's kind of covered. Let's see. No brand. I don't know what it is, so I don't know if it'll smell yucky or not. Let me check. So guys, that is my haul. I'm just trying to take the paper off this so I can smell it and tell you guys what it's like. But that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know it was pretty random. I haven't been doing a lot of hauls, but when I get a chance to do one, I definitely like to show you guys. Yeah, this is just hand sanitizer, like just a regular hand sanitizer, but I like it, so I'm going to put it on my purse because I have this one on here now, but we're going to put this one on here. Let's put it on together. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody's safe and sound. If you're getting snow, be safe. If you're getting nice weather, send some down this way, please. Anyways, other than that, I will see you guys again very soon. You guys take care and have a good day. I gotta try to get this thing on, but yeah, it's going on my purse. So like I said though, before I go, if you want to see what's in my purse in this bag, let me know. Love you guys. Have a good day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.